Hey everyone, I just I got the Samsung U10. Did an unboxing of that. Never really got around to doing a review of it because the price I paid was pretty expensive compared to what I thought was a better camera. So as you can tell by the title, I got the Zi8 package up here. I got it off Amazon. My U10 was £110, and this one was only £123 off Amazon. So I thought, for the sake of 13 quid and waiting a couple of days, I might as well get the Zi8. So here we go. Show you inside the box. Put it up. Some personal stuff. 90% off photo printing. It's quite handy. Camera, empty box. Cool stuff. Chuck that away. So we got the position this right. The box here. It's kind of off further, don't you? There you go. Right. Got the black one. Black noir. Comes with this red box. Define yourself, full HD, 1080p is 30 frames per second, and then I'm probably going to shoot 720p, which is 60 frames per second. EIS, PC, and Mac. So hopefully the software. So it tells you the contents there. So you get manual, cables, adapters, battery, and the camera. Right. Let's do it. Trusty penknife, which I've cut myself on about 6 times now already. It's open, right, cool. Put that down. That's what I forgot. We've got the I'll just open that up. So we've got the actual camera itself. And there. Camera. This to one side for a second. Open that up. Right, there we go. Full of stuff. So we got audio. Well, it goes in the jack, special jack. Normal TV cable. You get UK adapter, which is obviously what I want. You get American adapter, which I obviously don't really need yet. You got a charge on your PC cable, so it's just standard jack for USB. So it goes in the camera. Nice little leather wrist strap which has Kodak on. Probably can't see that because of my fat fingers. Nope. No, you can't see that because of my fat fingers. Power brick. So actual battery. I like the fact that you get one of these, like an SLR. Then. Sad as that may seem. And then we've obviously got the USB to mini, HDMI to mini DVR. Sweet. We've got, and we've got user manuals and stuff like that. Chuck the box to one side. So, no doubt I'll use all this anyway, so I'll open it. It's just your standard HDMI to mini HDMI. Yep. That's one. Got the. I'm not going to open this because I'll never use it, so just obviously that. So all the stuff is as shown. So you don't get that free. So you get main camera. We'll open that though, can't we? Careful not to scratch it. Thank you. It's actually really light. You get tells you YouTube image stabilization of full 1080p. So I've got a little Diddy tripod, so it's just gonna screw it to the bottom, nice and simple. And then that's how I'll be shooting my videos now on YouTube. That's nice and easy. Shut that side. So we'll open that in a sec. I'll open it now for you actually. Turn it into a bit of a. Just trying to find the power cable. This is the power one. Open this up. Never open the cables if you're not going to use them, that's my tip anyway. What's the point? Save them in case you ever sell it. Charger, USB. Where's the... Wow. Oh no, it's not. It's not like a SLR at all. I was wrong. It's not. That slides on there. Oh, that's wicked. Oh. So much of a... It's actually power. Standard. Yellow. So, right. So, enough of the unboxing. Junk out of the way. So that was the unboxing. I can obviously do the rest up here. If I do it here, it's easier. So, take this nice thick plastic off, all like that. Screen protector. Take this YouTube stick off straight away. There's not a protector for the screen, I don't think. Oh yeah, there is. Oh, that was good. What was probably going to pull the screen off, didn't actually pull it off. There you go. Look at that. It's nice. Give it a clean in a second. So you got the, obviously you got a little USB, which isn't really any good because I got my Mac Mini. Use it on my Mac Pro. No, MacBook Pro, sorry. You got high capacity SD card. It just swivels out. I'll put that in now. It goes in there. Snaps in. Power button. HDMI and AV. There and there. And then you got the DC in. And what I like, the external mic. Might never use it, but hey, the option is always there. That just slides off. Plunk this battery in. Goes in like that. Goes back on. Slides on. Just power it on. So I'm just going to do this. Set the year and the date. Yeah. Yeah? 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 Sorry about that. I'm going to stop it and then I'll do another video of this in a minute. Right, so that was my unboxing of the Zi8 Kodak's new pocket camera. Black, full HDMI. Oh, final thing, it's got macro mode, which I really like, but I'll talk about it more in a video. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, all that good stuff. Cheers, bye.